Now I know you may have seen my friend Janelle do this awesome cake recipe. My friend a long time ago at a Pampered Chef party showed me almost the same technique. Let me show you. And I like to choose like a cola, but this is a Dr. Pepper Cherry Zero Sugar. 1 can. Okay, it's already made a really nice batter. It's really fluffy. Find a container that you can put in your microwave and that will fit. Give that a good shake so it's even and stick in the microwave for 5 minutes. Depending on your pan, you might have to add a few more minutes. Maybe I could go 1 more minute in the middle there, but this is what you end up with. So you could eat it just like this or add some sugar-free frosting. Look how fluffy this is. I'm gonna add frosting.